So this understanding that gold is still pushing back up, after retesting to after the last few days, gold's been was retesting back down after uh pushing all the way up, all the way up here, all the way up to here, um, all the way up to this key level right here, 1828, take profit for 1829. This was just on January the 14th, so last week, and it's been in a downtrend since January 14th, since last Friday. It's been in a downtrend ever since. It went all the way down to take profit 2 down here, which is 1805, before pushing back up. And now, finally gold is heading back up after, pushing back down. After pushing back down for the last, few days, finally gold's pushing back up. Next key level would be take profit 3, 1822, 1823 area. And this is how you trade, gang. This is how you trade. But I see gold is still heading up to push up to take profit 3. It could retest right now, back down to take profit 1, before pushing back up to take profit 2, and then take profit 3 by tonight or tomorrow. But it's still gold still can move up here very fast to take profit 3 by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, in the afternoon today. We still got the New York session that starts at 8 o'clock, but you could have, if you had gotten from 811 to take profit 1 and take profit 2, boom, hit or take profit 2, boom, that's still a couple thousand, a couple hundred, depending on your lot size. We're out to trade, and we just want to see what gold wants to do next, and see what gold wants to do next. But gold is finally pushing back up. We are finally back in an uptrend. You see, we're pushing back up in an uptrend. Finally, after gold was pushing down for the last few days. You can see, let's go back to the daily. For the last few days, gold's been retesting down since January 13th. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days, gold been pushing down, finally pushing back up. Take profit 2, 819 area, finally pushing back up. Overall, gold is still in an uptrend. Gold is still in an uptrend. And you would just go down, you scroll down to the 15 and the 5 minute, to see what's gold doing, on a quicker time frame, to see what gold is doing next. Go down to the 5 minute, 3 minute, go down to the 5 minute. Once price makes a major move like this from 1811 to 1815, 1819, after it makes a major move like that and it hits our take profit 1 and take profit 2, gold is going to what? It's going to consolidate. It's going to consolidate like it did down here after making a major move to 1810 from 1819, from our take profit back to 1810. It's going to consolidate. So we're out the trade, hit our take profit 2. And now we're just out the trade. We're seeing what price wants to do next. Starting to wick up here, making wicks up here, letting us know that price is done. We're out the trade here, take profit 2. We're out the trade. Now price is starting to consolidate back down. Before we're retesting back down before pushing back up. After a major move after that, it hit both our take profit levels. It will retest back down before heading back up. To take profit 3. So just understanding candlesticks, understanding what candlesticks like to do overall, understanding the market. This is my favorite pair out of all the pairs. I like to trade gold, and just mastering your pairs. Master your pair. Understand and test this out. Test this out. See if the strategy works for you, gang. Just understanding price will retest after a major move like this. Like you'll see, price is now pushing back down, retesting back down after making a major move like that. Just take your profit. Take your profit after it gets to take profit 2. Take the money out, and just wait for the retest before overall getting back in the trend. Overall the trend is still heading up. So just wait for the price to retest back down. or consolidate back down before getting back in this trade. So that's just my analyst for gold for today and for this month, and this week. Do see goals by the end of this week, at least getting to close to 1824. Our take profit 4 level. So I'll keep y'all updated, gang, as far as what gold wants to do, but it did go to take profit 2. On a 1 hour, you can see it on the 1 hour chart, right to take profit 2. The last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, gold has been heading up. See that on the 4 hour. The last 4 hours, boom. Gold has been heading up. This 4 hour candlestick, could head up to take profit 3. 1822, 1823 is our next key level. Our next take profit level, 1822, 1823 level. So we'll just play by ear, see what gold wants to do, and we'll just react to the market. And I'll let y'all know, gang, what price does. What price does. But this is how you would trade. I hope these videos help, gang. I hope these videos help. Overall, gold is still pushing back up. It was just retesting back down. And now now gold is finally pushing back up. Still at take profit 2 right now level. So that's my buys for gold for this week. I have gold still heading up, for this week to take profit for 1828 before this area before pushing back down, and now we're back in a downtrend. We're back in a downtrend, but it still hasn't got back up to this high yet or this high yet. Take profit 3 or 4 yet. So once it gets up there, then we'll be looking for sales. But it still has gold still has some time to push back up here to take profit 3 and take profit 4. And I'll keep y'all updated on what gold is doing. It's understanding, I hope these videos help understanding what price likes to do and what areas price likes to go to. Is so important. Understanding what the candlesticks like to do on the hourly chart, the 4 hour chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart compared to the 5 minute and the 15-minute chart. Just understanding, what price likes to do, and the candlesticks like to do. We see long candlesticks, yellow candlesticks, letting us know that gold, that buyers are in control, pushing gold up, pushing price up. When the stronger the candlesticks are, the longer the candlesticks are, the more momentum that we have as a confirmation that price wants to head back up, and we see long candlestick, yellow candlesticks, 2 of them. The second candlestick, this second long candlestick right here, this understanding candlestick, this second long candlestick right here, it went past our take profit 1 area. After we see the second long candlestick going up, and it closes above. We know when our candlestick closes above take profit 1 area, 1815 area, is going up. It's still heading up. Understanding that what candlesticks like to do. If you see a long candlestick close above, we needed a long candlestick to close above take profit 1 to continue up to take profit 2. We got that. It closed above take profit 1, and letting us know that price is still strong momentum upwards towards upwards. And we see another long candlestick letting us know that price went all the way up to take profit 2. Buyers are still in control. Just looking at the candlesticks, you see, black candlesticks, long black candlesticks, letting us know sellers are in control. Now we see long yellow candlestick letting us know that buyers are in control. Understanding candlesticks, just understanding that the candlesticks must close above take profit 1, to go to at least to take profit 2. So just understanding candlesticks, understanding what gold likes to do overall. Overall gold is still heading up. Overall it's still an uptrend. So this is, I hope these videos help, gang. And I'll just keep y'all updated on, what's going on next with gold. All right, so yeah, gold finally pushing back up, gang. I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.